Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a color spotlight. I'm here to spotlight the color 60 by Jon Renau, and I am wearing the Kristen wig. So this is Kristen in the color 60. I am super excited to get to bring you a color like this. I just love to bring a lot of diversity to my channel, different styles, curly, short, straight, full, low profile, and I love to highlight different colors. So 60 is such a fun one. I will be taking it down from this clip, but I wanted you to be able to see this lace front really, really well. So I'm going to show you this color from all sides. I will take the clip out in a second. What a beautiful color. This is a pure white. Because it's so light, I have no idea what these ring lights and my lights are doing with it, so I'll have to see when I watch this back. But I did wear a dark shirt so that you could really see that contrast. So beautiful. So I'm going to take this clip out, but look at that lace front. It is so good. Look at that. It just melts into the head. It looks so real. One of the benefits of having a bright or a very light color like this with no rooting is that you're never going to be able to tell that that lace front is even there. So let's take the clip out so that you can see the front. Now this particular Kristen is really hanging in my face. She's going to require quite a bit of training to get her to lay the way you want her. I do have a review out there of Kristen. So if you want to know more about Kristen, please check out my review. I will link it in the description. The point of this video is more to highlight this color than to talk about this wig a whole lot. Kristen does have a deep lace front and no monofilament and no monopart. So because of this super light color, depending on how you style her, you might be able to see a little bit of permatease up there. Sometimes when you get a wig that's mostly a basic cap that has a good amount of permatease and doesn't have any monofilament, sometimes you can see that permatease. So what I always say to do in that case is, first of all, spend a lot of time with your fingers or a wide tooth comb, just kind of getting that permatease to wake up. So doing this with your fingers, taking a wide tooth comb and lifting the hair at the cap. So just kind of going against the grain and just sort of getting the hair lifted up. I'm not scraping really hard, but I am just trying to wake up the fibers. What you're trying to do is you're trying to pick up the hair fibers off of the cap so that the higher the hair, then you don't see that permatease, and that helps a lot. It's very, I mean, now you can barely see it. So that's very, very helpful. Let's get this color. It's just such a pure, beautiful white. It's just gorgeous. For women whose hair grays to a beautiful white like this, oh, what a blessing. It's just so pretty. And then the cap is white so that you can't see the cap through it. Something that you might have trouble with if you have bio hair that's darker. And let's say you want to wear a white color, because let's just face it, it's beautiful. You can see I'm having just a little bit of trouble with the front. Then you're gonna, you might experience some issue with your bio hair showing through on the lace if it's thick enough to do that. You also might have an issue with blending your bio hair on the sides if it sticks out at all. And so keep that in mind. If you do want to do an extreme change, which was one of the reasons why wigs are so fun, then you might have some challenges with your own bio hair. There's ways to overcome that. You can, you know, if you wear her down and you don't try to pull her back, any bio hair showing here might not be an issue. You can always, you know, if you can find some spray that will color your bio hair a little bit, that can be a good thing. I am sure they probably sell like a white or a silver type spray. I know you can buy hot pink and blue and green because we used to do that all the time with the kids for Halloween. So I'm sure you can find something to spray your hair in the front if you really want to disguise it, if you can see it through the cap. This color is gorgeous. I will get outside so that you can see this color outside. But otherwise, if you are thinking about wearing something that's like a white like this and you don't want rooting, honestly, it's a beautiful color. It's just vibrant and clean and bright and just gorgeous. And I think in a bob like this, Kristen is such a pretty rounded bob. In a bob like this, it just looks very, very polished, and I think it can work for any age. You know, kids nowadays are experimenting with gray colors, so if you're young, you're in your 20s or 30s, I think you could do this as something fun. But sometimes I think when we're a little bit older, you know, I'm going to be 50 really, really soon, like months. And I know I have a lot of wig sisters who are in their 60s and 70s who watch my videos. Sometimes we can wonder, gosh, am I, you know, does this work for me? Is it too youthful for me? And I know the answer often is do what makes you feel good, but I also understand that it does impact how we feel. I think a polished bob like this really works for any age. So if you would like to do something fun, this could be a great option for you. All right, let's get outside and see this color outside. Please like, subscribe, comment on my videos if these are helpful for you and you'd like to see more videos. I do a whole lot of different things other than wig reviews, and I just want to be helpful. So give me that feedback below if you do find it helpful. All right, now let's get outside. All right, everyone, gotta get this situated. We are outside. Some very bright sunlight out here so you can really see this color. Super, super beautiful. The sun is going to really make it pop. Let's get in front of the gray. There was a bee flying around here a minute ago. I hope it's gone. Look at that beautiful color. My husband saw me when I walked through the room to get out here, and he loved it. So pretty. All right, I hope that this is helpful. We got a little bit of sun, a little bit of clouds over the sun, and let's just walk into some shade to wrap this up. And there's the shade. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching.